today's episode, we're at Hong Kong Food Market. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to show you where I do my shopping for most of my ingredients, or the Asian style. So sit back and let's go through here and let me see what they got, or let me show you what they got. I can get these wontons here already made, or I can get a bao bun. They're right there. I mean, but it's more fun to make them at home. I love to make them at home. So I'm gonna go over here. This is where they'll be. There you egg roll wraps, egg rolls if you want them. Wonton skins. I'm going for a particular brand that I like. I think I passed it. I don't know how I did that. Anyway, I'm going with these. Yeah, we'll go with these for now. We're going to see how these work out. This ain't the one I used last time. They don't have the one. For some reason, they don't have the one I used last time. But that's okay. They're all the same. They're all made by different people, but they're all the same. Let's go with this one. Oh yeah, we're gonna try this brand over here. And I know I'm just opening up and messing up all these. There they go. Yeah, buddy. There they are. That's the ones I like to use. So anyway, keeping on, moving on. Now the one thing I like to get when I come down here are these. This is where I come to get my noodles, for my ramen, for my whatever I make, you know. They got the glass, cellophane, they got them all. This is the best place, because I come for the ramen noodles, which I use for ramen, and I use these. Similar to these, I try to get the ones that are vegetarian. They got them up here somewhere. But they're always moving them around for some reason. There's some here. Here's a little pack right there. The egg noodle. That's what you want to use when you're using ramen. Trust me on that. Go for the egg noodle. The best thing. These are the ones I normally buy. Look at over here. I usually get these. They're vegetarian noodles. They're more healthy for you. They're not as processed as some of them. You know what I mean? Like the package that you buy at the store. It's just too. It's too processed for me. Plus that little pack, that little pack that it got, it's nothing but salt. Get away from that. If you're gonna get ramen, come over here and get this stuff. There's some other noodles are noodles. Trust me, they got plenty of them. Look at that. Whatever noodle you want, they got it here. Trust me on that. And a bunch of egg roll wraps, rice paper wraps. I'll be grabbing some of the wonton wraps, and I'm going to get probably a pound and a half of the ground pork to take with me, because we're going to make some wontons tonight. and you're gonna help. Okay, as you see, I got a handful. Got some wonton wraps, got some ground pork, got my noodles for my ramen. So, got my noodles for my ramen. So, we're gonna head on out now. I think this is all I needed. I showed y'all more or less where I get my stuff and how I do whatever I do over here. So, let's get on out of here. Time to pay. Pull out the wallet, my friend. Okay, that was out here at the Hong Kong market. That's Hong Kong food market. It's over here off of not Edgebrook, but it's more like Clarewood. Not Clarewood. What would they call that? College. There you go. It's College and 45 South. Anyway, that's where I go to get my goods. Usually I buy all my soy sauces and everything. I should have bought some extra, but I usually try to get it by the gallon. So that's going to be this outing, and I'm going to call it a field trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this field trip, and thanks for going with me. And we'll catch you on the next at the Food Slap. Look, here, I came to a grocery store. These are the ramen noodles that I told you about. These are the most common. I think more people buy these than any. But they have these other ones. These type here. I've never really tried these. I think I did one time. And what I bought at the market, trust me, way better. You really want to get those. Because that little salt pack that's in there, I mean, it's a lot of sodium in that thing. Big time. Anyway, check this little thing out. It's small. Look how, I don't know, it just looks small. All right. Anyway, let the slap move on back.